Back on part two of WPSD's Local 6 Legal Line, again with attorneys from the Bryan Law Center in Paducah and Louisville, Tara Swanson, Kevin Shannon, our guests, taking your personal injury questions at 1-888-208-6946. And we have a question from Raymond who says, I was in a car wreck that was not my fault. However, I've had a request for them to look at my cell phone just to make sure that I wasn't texting. Is that legal? Can they do that?
Well, the answer on that one is they can request it. It's legal for them to request it. But if you're talking about them being the insurance company for the other car, you don't have to cooperate with them. You don't have to show them your phone. You don't have to tell them anything. You don't even have to talk to them. And I would tell you not to talk to them. Now, if it's your own insurance company asking the questions, you do have a duty to provide reasonable cooperation with your own insurance company's investigation of the accident and the potential claims. Beyond what I've told you so far, if the insurance company for the other side asks you to preserve whatever evidence might exist about cell phones, cell phone usage at the time of the accident, then you do need to preserve that evidence. You don't have to show it to them at that time, but if they ask you to preserve it, you should preserve it. You certainly don't want to destroy it. That can lead to problems for you.
We have a question from Kathy who says, my daughter was in an accident. She was injured, but she was not wearing her safety belt. Will that hurt our case?
Well, that's going to depend on the facts of the case. Unfortunately, I can't answer that for sure. However, typically, not wearing a seatbelt can harm your claim if the seatbelt would have prevented whatever injury that you sustained. Now, if the seatbelt would have had no impact whatsoever, let's say you broke your big toe and the seatbelt would have not prevented that whatsoever, then it won't harm that type of claim. So it's just going to depend on all the facts of the situation. Of course, we always want everyone to wear their seatbelts, number one, for your own safety, and number two, because it's the law, and number three, because you're going to protect potential claims that you have in cases like this. So there's three very good reasons to always wear your seatbelt, and we encourage everyone to do that.
Got about 45 seconds left in this segment. And Terrace, we were talking in the break and you mentioned something about a Valentine's Day giveaway. Tell us about that.
Yeah, here at Bryan Law Center, we do lots of giveaways. We love doing that, and we've got a Valentine's Day one coming up. I don't have all the details on that yet, but I believe it's going to include a gift basket with some gift cards to different local restaurants. So check out our Facebook page and look out for that soon. And
I'm guessing when they go on to do that, all they have to do, they can register free, whoever it is.
Yeah. Yep, it'll be an exciting giveaway.
Okay, easy enough. Details coming soon from the Bryan Law Center in Paducah.